Hi, I'm Dr. Bruin and welcome back for part 16 of these narrated videos that sit alongside my A-level chemistry speedrun series. In today's part we're looking at the acids and bases topic, and this time we have a dilution question. So you're trying to work out how much water to add to a particular sample of sulfuric acid in order to reach the desired pH. Now pH is all about hydrogen ion concentration, and as you hopefully know, you can calculate hydrogen ion concentration from pH by doing 10 to the power of negative that pH. So here, in order to work out the desired hydrogen ion concentration, we're going to need to do 10 to the power of minus 2.46. And that has a value of something like 0.003467. And we're not going to round that value prematurely. We're going to keep using the full calculator display or the answer button because particularly for pH calculations, any early rounding can have a really disastrous impact on your final answer. Now, in order to work out what volume we're going to need to have this particular hydrogen ion concentration, we're going to take our concentration equation, so concentration is moles divided by volume, and rearrange that to be volume is moles divided by concentration. And so in my original acid, the number of moles of sulfuric acid would be 0.1, which is the concentration, multiplied by 0.015. Because of course I need that volume to be in decimeters cubed rather than centimeters cubed. So that gives me 0.0015 moles of sulfuric acid. But be careful, because sulfuric acid is diprotic. And so that means that we're not going to have 0.0015 moles of hydrogen ions. Now in the question they've said assuming full dissociation, so you might know that actually sulfuric acid is not completely strong when it comes to its second proton, but for the sake of this question we're going to pretend that it is. So therefore the moles of hydrogen ions is going to be exactly double, so 0.0030 moles. Therefore, going back to this idea of volume being moles divided by concentration, the moles that I've got divided by the concentration that I worked out in the first step is going to give me a volume of 0.86530 something decimeters cubed. Again, I haven't rounded prematurely, I'm just going to keep using that full value for the time being. However, we also need to be careful here because lots of people are going to get to this point and stop. This is the total volume and the question asked me how much water I needed to add. So I'm going to convert to centimeters cubed to make my life easy, and then I'm going to remove the 15 centimeters cubed that I already had at the start, and therefore I'm going to have added 850 centimeters cubed if I'm going to two significant figures, which I'm going to because the volume and the concentration were both to two significant figures. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you're now a little bit clearer on how to tackle these dilution questions. If you did find the video useful, then don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share the channel, and I'll see you back soon for some more A-level chemistry.